Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sarah and I am going to show you how to draw a beautiful face for your fashion figure. So let's get started. First of all, I need to draw the face itself. As you know, the head of your fashion figure is normally very tiny. It might be 3 or 2 centimeter long. It depending on the size of your drawing. So let's just draw the most beautiful and easy face as we can. So firstly, I need to draw a circle, and then uh, the chin is kind of half of, we need to half the circle, and this length is going to be the chin. And then after drawing the chin line, we will make a 45 angle, let's say, not the exact, but we try to make it a 45 angle. So this is the type of the head that we need to draw at the beginning. So let's start from the chin this time. So we just draw the chin like that, and then we go up, correct, and then we'll draw the top of the head. So whatever you do at the end, you need to get kind of egg shape for the head. And then I will find out where my nose and lips gonna go. So in the center of the head is normally eyes, and then we divide this section by 2. Let's just draw a line and imagine there's 1 and 2. We divide it into 3, and then this is for nose and that's for lips. So how do we draw lips now? Drawing lips is not a big deal. I do have a video of how to draw lips if you go through my channel and watch the previous videos. So there is a video of drawing a proper lip. But to draw lips for fashion figure is sometimes even people do fashion design without even drawing face. And then there's not, because it's very tiny, maybe we cannot get the perfect lip with that all details and shading. So let's make it easy for ourselves. So we just draw a line like that, and on top we imagine that we are going to draw a heart, just like this, or let's say 2 little circle, right? And in the bottom we draw another bigger circle like this, and at the end we just try to join them together. Try to not make it very dark, because it's all about shading. It doesn't really matter if you have the exact lip line. That's it. And later we can just rub off these circles and make it more realistic. So how do we draw eyes and eyebrows? So there are many type of eyes and eyebrows depending on the model that you are drawing, or like there is many type, but I'm gonna show you the most basic form of the eyes drawing. So first of all, you just need to draw a line like this, and then I am going to draw the top eyelid like that. You start from this corner to the other one, and then the lower one. later we will do the circle. So remember this eyeball, it meant to be a full circle, but because we are only seeing half of it, we are drawing it like this. So try to not make the circle, the full circle inside the eyeball, I mean the eye. So now the basic shape is done, and then we will try to draw the eyelashes. Eyelashes, one of the most common mistake is when people are drawing eyelashes, I mean very basic and beginners, they draw all of the eyelashes to this side, like they all flying to that side, to the corner of, I mean outer corner. But you need to learn that the one which is closer to the corner, the inner corner, they need to come to this side, and the other ones need to go to the outer corner, correct? Just let's not be very specific because they are lashes, they are flying out, and just try to make it as realistic as you can. And the lower ones are the same again. So from the half you go to other direction. That's the most basic eyes that you can draw. So let's do that again. So do a practice and also do eyebrows as well. Even if you feel more comfortable, you don't even need to draw this line. You can just easily go without it. And eyeball. Right, so now it is time to draw eyebrows. Eyebrows are in many shapes and like different style as well. They could be bold or arch or rounded, or they could be straight, but let's just draw a few of them. I will start with this soft arch. So first of all, I need to find exactly how far the eyebrows needs to go. From the middle of the eye, I'll draw a line like that. And this is where I would like the eyebrows, like the upper point. So I'll start from the corner here. Just try to very softly So actually we need to remember that these eyes and eyebrows are going to be inside this face. So I'm just making it a little bit big because I really want it to be visible. Let's draw eyelashes as well. Amazing. Okay, so this is one type of the eyebrows, and the other one I'll draw it for this eyes, and then I try to make a bold eyebrows. The one maybe like when people does microblading and things, and make it a bit bold and very pointy, let's say. So that's the you can sometimes just draw the base shape, and later you just draw very softly to draw the hair of the eyebrows. When you get to this point, the direction will be changed and hair will go to the other direction. So that's it. Very basic, and just remember that this eye needs to be inside this and needs to be very tiny. So let's go to the next part. So I think I need to show you the lips again, because that was very general. So I'll just go with you through that again. So firstly, we need a circle. Let's draw it next to this one. A circle, which is the bottom lips, and two circles on top, and then this is the line of the lips, and we need to join these lines now. Lovely. So now let's do it one more time. So one circle, two more circles, the middle line, lower line, and then the rest of it will be with shading. So let's just rub off these circles and make it more realistic. I'm going to use another pencil. Lovely. So the corners will be a little bit darker. If you have a blending stump, you can use it to blend it at this time. If you don't, just use your fingers and blend the dark and highlights together. That's it. Well, I think I have explained lips, eyes, eyebrows, and nose doesn't really need to be a big deal, so you can always show it with the whole, just easy like that, or sometimes you can even just make it basic, just like a line like that, and make two holes like this. So if you would like to learn how to draw a proper nose, you can always go back to my other videos and watch the full video of drawing nose easily in 3 easy steps. So thank you for watching this video so far, and in the next video I will put all of this together and show you how to draw a face for your fashion croquis. If you have any suggestion for my next videos, please let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching, and bye.